Hello friends, today I am going to make a peach magical pen just using simple materials available at home. Let me show what materials do we need. Turmeric, a sheet of paper, soap solution, earbuds and lemon juice. First, we make turmeric solution and spread it on a sheet of paper. Let it dry. I have invisible ink. First, dip the earbuds in soap solution and use it to write any message. I have invisible eraser too. Dip the earbuds in lemon juice and use it to erase. Is not it magical and exciting? Let me show you the science behind it. We have so many acid bases and natural indicators as home, and to detect it, there are certain indicators also. Here, I have used turmeric solution as natural indicator. When I dipped the earbuds in soap solution, it made the red color. It made red color, and when I wrote it on the dry sheet of the turmeric solution, it got written, and then I dipped the earbuds in lemon juice and used it to erase. It got erased. That makes the red color colorless. So my experiment was all about acid bases and indicators experiment. Thank you and Jai Hind.